Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. This book is a classic and it's one of my favorites. My kids love to hop on their pop, and that is definitely a true statement. And it's all because of this book. When they were even younger than they are now, we would read it to them and they just loved jumping on their dad. And not only does that make for great memories, but now that they're a little bit older, it really helps them to learn how to read. It has a lot of word family blending words, which really helps their learning. And this book is long, but it really captures their attention so they can read for a while. I'm pretty sure my kids will be jumping on their pop for a long time. So if you are looking for a fun book that you can read for years on years, it never gets old, and it really makes some really good family memories, I would definitely recommend this book. And that's my point of view.